What's up, ninjas? It's Fuzzy back at it again with another vlog. This one will be vlog number 3. In this one, I'm gonna let you guys know what's coming up here in the next couple days, so stay tuned. Alright, so here we are, and it is like raining and nasty, and then the sun is out over there. Thank you, Texas. You're awesome. Anyway, we got to put old girl on top of other old girl. We got to get all of our stuff put together. I'm going to head over to Lewisville. Hopefully I can fish one of the marinas over there on Lewisville Lake for a little while. Hopefully I can catch some bass or something like that. And then tomorrow morning we're going to go out and try to do like a 3-generation fishing together. So we'll have my grandfather, me, and little Fuzz fishing together on the boat. Get some pretty cool GoPro footage. We're going to try to catch some hybrids or something. And then if we catch something that we can eat, I will bring it home and cook you guys up, show you how to cook some bad hybrid fish tacos. I kind of feel bad leaving them here. I guess y'all can come too. Okay, got the kite crate, all of our boxes, got our VisiCarbon Pro, got our PFDs, net, rods and reels, jacks and seat. Well, it's just time to put her on top and get out of here. Almost forgot my paddle. That would have made for a rather frustrating trip. Now we got it. Alright, so there's really only one way to do this, and that's with muscles. So if you know anybody that's got any, let me know, because it would be super helpful. Alright, Fuzzball. We had a good day, didn't we? How many fish do you think we caught?
50.
It's pretty close. It's a lot of them. What was your favorite to catch? Sand bass or the black bass? The large one? The sand bass? You caught a really big sand bass. We actually kept him, didn't we? We're gonna make some good fish tacos, huh? You gonna eat fish tacos?
I love fish. Yeah.
Alright. Can you say os?